everyone, this is Yashika Gaba and you are watching Quality Zone Infotech. So if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So today our topic is ORM. First of all, question arises, what is ORM? ORM stands for Online Reputation Management. Online Reputation Management or ORM is multifaceted concept that is aimed at creating a positive public perception of a brand, business or person. Reputation management includes monitoring reputation, addressing my content or customer feedback that could harm your channel. Reputation management includes monitoring reputation, addressing any content or customer feedback that could damage the brand, and using strategies to prevent and solve problems that could damage an entity's reputation. Now, the question arises how online reputation management or ORM works. In a nutshell, ORM is all about monitoring and managing your brand's reputation across the web, about ensuring that your business is properly represented and that potential customers are left with a great impression of who you are and what you do. That said, multiple channels fall with online reputation management, and since it may seem overwhelming at first to embrace all these channels, let's think about them in terms of the PESO model. Here is a pretty extensive post on this topic. Now let me tell you why you should use ORM. First is impact on buying decisions. The lack of management of your online reputation can actually cost you your customer base, as 81% of buyers do some online research before making a purchase. The way you appear online is the make it or break it factor in their final decision. And your online reputation really a business quality check, with 88% of the consumers reading reviews to determine if your business is reliable enough or not. Next is, it is the online version of word of mouth. 85% of consumers treat online reviews as personal recommendation and trust them as much as tip from a friend. It is great thing if your reviews are impeccable, but what happens if there was some bump on the road and someone posted well-grounded negative comment? Because in the age of social media, when news spread like wildfire, it can be an absolutely bombshell. United Airlines lost over $1 billion in market value after a video of a passenger being violently forced away from an overbooked flight went viral. The video earned over 1 million mentions a day and over 100 million views. The CEO of United Airlines was accused of failing to deal with the situation and the lack of PR crisis management. Next is, there is no delete button for negative reviews. It is not only the note that remembers, the internet keeps everything well, almost. Whatever people is likely to stay online, but you actually have a chance of altering a negative opinion about your business. By using a proper response, you can turn an unhappy customer into a loyal fan. According to a Lee source study, 70% of customers who complained and got a satisfying response from the business will come back and do business again. Furthermore, Harvard Business Review published a study that revealed that customers whose complaints got handled in less than 5 minutes tend to spend more on future purchase from your business. Next is, you can get valuable feedback. Monitoring is a critical part of management your online reputation. You can start collecting some useful insights on customer satisfaction and feedback regarding your product or services. So before doing some polling surveys and going around the globe or customer feedback, you can simply pay attention to what your customers have to say about your business. Now let's see how Quality Zone Infotech, that is our company, can expertise you in it. With the help of online reputation management, we can slowly build a good reputation for the brand by addressing negative feedback and turning them into positive ones. Another example where online reputation management does a favorable job is what it has to manage image of a celebrity or a politician who has been facing a backlash online. Online reputation management, that is ORM, is the key that benefits brands and business. Hence, online reputation management services with the help of an ORM expert are the need of the hour. Here is why every business needs our expertise in ORM. As we are all obsessed with the way we look and what our images in the eyes of our loved ones, similar is the case with the brands as they too want to have a good reputation. Herein comes to the role of online reputation management and an ORM expert who by their expertise can transform your business or brand into an extraordinary entity that not only connects to its customer but also understands their wants. Nowadays, customers don't shy away from raising their voice or giving valuable feedback for a product or service they have opted for. Hence, brands and businesses need to be cautious dealing with critical feedback or a negative review. However, instead of taking matters into their own hands, a brand owner can depend on online reputation management services or ORM services to build a good reputation for a brand. And that's what our company do. With the help of our ORM services, a brand or a famous personality can certainly make it big and make its presence felt in the online world. 4 ways of online reputation management. Respond with compassion. While handling online reputation management for a brand or a famous personality, an ORM expert is the perfect source for compassionate response. Often this happens that frustrated customers vent out their anger on social media, which leads to a lot of character damage for the brand. Let this alone can be handled by an ORM expert because he can lend a compassionate ear to the customer's problem and resolve it immediately, bringing contentment to the customer. Gaining the trust of consumers is the main objective of online reputation management, that is ORM. We turn negative into positive with our online reputation management expertise it is. For a brand, for a celebrity, all social media platforms can serve as a boon or a curse. If it turns out to be a curse, entrust the job in the hands of online reputation management services. Being the perfect guide, an ORM expert is a keen observer and knows how to use social media to brands' benefit. When there are negative comments and unsatisfied customers raising their issues, an ORM expert comes to rescue for the brand by interacting with the customers, understanding their problems and taking the necessary actions. So guys, that's all for today. If you ever need our help, you can contact us or visit our website. So guys, if you like my content, please press the like button and share your opinions in the comment sections. Thank you.